Oh.
Man, I felt that.
Whoa. Qué rico.
Yeah. It's like an inch or something.
Yeah.
Woo. That was freaking awesome.
And then I'm just going to do some ranges of motion. So go ahead and bring your chin down to your chest. Do you feel any of that pain pinching your hand? Kind of both sides. Okay. And then looking up towards the sky. Any pinching in the back. And then looking all the way to the right shoulder. Look at the left. Okay.
He's gonna do it right. There, I feel it.
Okay, where do you feel that?
Honestly, right here.
Okay, so all the way down there.
Yeah.
And then to the other side.
Nope.
Okay. When you went over to the left, any pinching on this side? Cool. And then low back, what you got in your neck? Let's start there. I'll have you go. They'll probably fall off.
That much?
Yeah, it's perfect. So do you notice this on the left side? That's a little bit hard to get there. Or is that pretty even? Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Versus this side.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can I put a little backwards a bit right here?
Get closer.
I just think if you do
Yeah, we have to watch and do this again later.
I'm just releasing stuff right now before we get into it. This is, so your pelvis is a little bit rotated to the left, so that's where we're going to start with. And step back. We got a whole audience.
Yeah. No, we're taking notes. So we all have bad backs. So we're just like,
Yeah, we're all like,
what do we do?
No,
Oh, that's so cool. It has like a stabilizer.
it does.
That's pretty dope. Well, yes, burrito. I'll wait for me.
Oh, what the hell?
Sorry, so do the same thing. Try to take a few big breaths there. And then you feel kind of that roll over here with the side bending to the neck.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No tenderness through here.
No, not yet. A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
So face me on this side. You can put your head here.
Should I go the other way? Should I stay right here?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Cool.
Is it scary?
Yeah.
That was super gentle. So, do a little roll and a push
Oh, Jesus.
You good?
Yeah.
Sweet, so we're gonna switch over to that side.
Sheep. Oh, Lord.
You wanna come around that way.
That sounds painful.
It's not.
So we're gonna come up a little bit higher into the lumbars on this side. So same deal next. That's some big movement. Let's go ahead and sit up. We'll face this way.
Like this?
Yeah. And then pop your feet up here. So we're gonna take the hands like that. Bring around the head. Cool. And then come behind like that side. So big slouch. Gotcha.
Oh my God.
One more.
Whew.
That was really cool.
So stay on your back.
I wasn't expecting that one.
For my next trick.
And then come in a little bit closer here.
Do you know what an emotional release is? I'm sure you know.
Yeah, you're kind of getting that.
Yeah, I'm okay though.
It's hard when there's a lot of people staring.
No, I'll cry. It's okay.
Alright, yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. Okay, so I'm gonna have you bring your chin to your chest. Good. All there now. Good. Chin to chest. Alright, and you can relax the arms. Feeling good? How do you feel about neck adjustments?
I trust you.
Look.
Did you get headaches at all?
Oh yeah, all the time.
So I'll let you know before I get on. I'm just gonna hang out here a little bit. You said you do get headaches.
Yeah, a lot. Oh shit.
So take some big breaths. I didn't know I was gonna be working today. I'll do it in a minute. I'll let you guys know. Cool. So we'll just say super relax into my hands. Kind of fall back into there. And get a little push there.
Oh.
Oh, hell no.
Shit.
Oh, hell no.
That's good?
Yeah.
Tommy's done.
Same deal. And we'll just fall.
Oh.
Right. Cool, so relaxing. Do a little pull on my chin. Good. Alright, let's run through everything else. That was good? Easy?
Yeah. That felt good,
Awesome.
honestly.
So coming pretty close with these
Okay.
guys. So I'm going through.
Sweating a little.
I know a lot happened.
I'm sure you did this. You guys
Ooh.
go definitely.
Sorry, not the most comfortable adjustments.
I want to see that happen.
Somebody did that thing.
Sorry, my feet are a little sweaty.
You're good. Come in a little bit closer. That mic.
Oh my god.
That was different. You kept the sandals on.
It's a good camera.
I don't know. I should quit my day job.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
All right. Good to go? I'll go ahead and sit on it. So,
Yay, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was great. I'm sweating.
so it was when you brought your head over to the right, or no, left, you felt this
Honestly, I
stuff
don't feel anything right now. I'm gonna cow right now.
feel. Awesome.
Damn, that feels so good.
stuff.
Thank you. That was awesome.
Yay, bro.
Gay bro, gay bro, gay bro, gay bro.
That felt so good.
Oh, you're gonna hear some shit with him.
There's some loud adjustments.
I needed that.
Good.
Holy shit.
Caleb, did you
I
take
feel like
notes?
crying, but I'm good. I'm not gonna cry. That was really good.
I hope I did a good job, bro.
Yeah, you can.
Whoa.
I always get nervous if the microphone's not on. I've done that a few appointments. I'm like, damn.
It's on, right?
You ready?
Okay.
Do you have anything going on? No. Go.
Physically,
Yeah,
no.
that's
Mentally,
fine.
there's a lot. Take your watch off.
Let's just look at next up. So take a seat right here.
Holy hell. What? I feel like,
So you're
yeah.
right-handed, so
I feel like shit.
I would imagine.
I didn't know I could feel like
Do
this.
you have any tenderness going through here?
Like, not in pain.
I mean, that hurt, but
That was good.
But not from one side to the next.
okay.
Ooh, that
Go
was
ahead, look
good.
all the way over the shoulder. Do you feel me pinching in the back there?
Like, back to back,
To the left.
This is giant castle every time.
Look all the way towards the shoulder.
You know that people who
Oh,
are
that feels pretty good.
constipated,
And then bring your chin down to your chest.
people who are, like have constipation.
Oh, that feels pretty good?
Bad, man.
Cool. We'll just run through it. If I find any tension, we'll adjust it and see how it goes. Let's go face down. Sorry.
Let me zoom in on the booty.
I know that's what you're looking at.
I feel like you pinch more on this side.
Yeah.
I guess.
You guys got the same side. Must be doing the same thing. Cool. let's go ahead facing on this side. This way.
Dude, I've had lower back pains for fucking.
You've had adjustments before. Push your
That was nothing compared to mine.
No.
No.
Yours looks I think I needed it.
I crack my shit often.
Yeah. Self-adjuster.
He does a lot of things. Look at here.
That was good. That was really good.
Did they not come from the same place?
I mean, that one is
Alright,
consumed
come
by the-
like.
They're actually androids. They don't really
Alright, so big slouch.
That explains a lot.
And then stay right there.
Oh, stay back.
What's wrong with that?
And then chin to your chest. Keep it tucked. Not all the way around. Shit. Alright, come over here. You're good with next stuff. And you just relax the arms. Just kind of fall back there.
I'm sure it's a fucking lot. Yeah. Yeah, so you want me to play?
Bro, just like, I just want to an hour later.
Nice and relax.
I got my eyes on you.
Bruh. What the fuck? And same thing here, just kind of fall back into the hands.
Oh my god, you're
And do a little play here.
Get shit. Get out here. Think I'm kidding?
Stay right
You
there.
deserve
Just run through it.
Chad. Not Chad. Or Chad.
That's what we love.
Damn. I was gonna give you this cool lighter of a hot girl. I guess you can't have it anymore.
That was really good. That was really good.
Can I just go next and get over with?
Nice.
Tommy.
I'm gonna make a video with like each person, so it's like
Oh,
Oh my god.
we'll get one for the shot.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna die.
As long as you don't keep it up on
My
the
blood is on
screen
your
now,
hands.
All right, now get to zoom in. Tommy,
Do
booty.
you have anything going on? Like,
Yeah, my fucking lower back pain all right here is fucking killing me every day.
Okay, here, stay standing up. So just face down. Bring the feet together. Rotate all the way to the right.
Just like.
Bend back towards your knees. Any issues?
Yeah, right here.
On that right side.
Yeah, this side right fucking here.
Okay, and then spin to the left. Rotate back toes.
That's
Not as bad. Can you run down, touch your toes, and like down the
That's
back?
the most exercise he's gotten in like.
Is that where we're at?
Yep.
So we're gonna recheck that afterwards. Alright, if you take the hips, still got the belly. No issues.
I feel something like on the right side.
So it's all on the right side. Okay. Let's go face down.
Here we go.
Does that recreate any of those?
Huh?
Does that recreate anything?
Not really.
No issues with that.
No, just not bendable.
just
Come on,
nice and
Tommy,
stretched.
relax.
It's just freaking me out, man.
He's not used to being the one being touched.
So here
Yeah.
versus
Yeah, definitely.
You know, Tommy, relax. You look stiff.
Yeah, bro.
It's just freaking me out, bro. You die?
He's just gonna crack you like a glow stick.
I feel like Tommy's gonna be the loudest
Just like
one.
that.
You alright?
Let's see if we can get that.
You got him?
Look at that hump.
You got him?
So come over right here.
Everybody be quiet so we can hear.
So we're gonna take the You're good right there.
Oh, man. I'm such a bitch.
Relax.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright. So the same thing here. Push.
Oh.
Your anal cavity's next, bro.
That was easier.
Film is ankle.
It'll be an interesting film.
So get in like super close. Sorry, not the most comfortable thing in the world. Alright. And then can you face me on the side? How are we doing? Alright. You feel comfortable here?
I guess.
Okay. No issues with that stretch there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a little roll. Push right there.
Man. I'll turn this way.
Man, I thought he was gonna be loud. He ain't that loud.
There's too much cushion in there.
Let's sit up. Let's sit up. So pop both the legs up that way. And come in on the side, kind of looking.
Okay, yeah. This one.
This is where you're super stiff, so we'll see if we can get some movement. Just like the hands right here. Yep. Okay, big slouch. I got you here. And then we're gonna do Y strap with you, so you can get those upwards.
That's gonna go in my head, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get
It's
ready,
super
boy.
gentle and nice and cure all the problems.
You and I watched this video like months ago.
Gable's trying to kill you, Doc.
Oh,
It's
this
gonna
is
change your
it.
life.
He's trying to get that policy insurance.
Alright, cool. So go ahead. Go ahead, lift up the head, perfect, and then go ahead and relax down.
This was the last favorite stuff.
Cool. So does that feel okay?
I'll get it
Cheeks, some beer. How's that feel?
Fine.
Kind of feeling it up into the upper back?
Mm-hmm.
Can you point your toes a little bit?
Oh man! I felt that shit.
He's on the floor. Everybody.
Now you can get some more review on that chair that's
Oh man. Is that it? We're done?
Take a second.
Yeah, recheck that back. Let's try to touch your toes, see if you got any further.
You have an appointment today?
Oh my god, it's way further.
Working today.
I felt that shit right the fuck up here.
So rotate all the way
Do you
back
have
to
time
the
to do a
right.
vein today?
The spot gone.
No pain. No fucking pain. I appreciate it, my dude. Lunch on me today for you, bro.
I mean, it's just like, I put the notes on back pain, and it just
Ooh, okay. We'll take
Okay. Casey got
Was
it.
this extra fun? I don't
No.
know. It's fake, yeah.
It's vague.
We ready, Cameron?
Yes. I'm
All right,
ready.
camera, we're ready.
I'm ready.
What do I do? Okay, wait, so you said you have a spot kind of.
So it's like somewhere in the middle, and then I just have like, this is always like super tense from drawing and all that shit.
Okay, cool. So that's when we're looking up or rotating in, we feel that same stuff. That's usually the vertebrae we can kind of pinch down. Yeah. So sometimes that can loosen up your rotation.
Okay.
Let's low back and everything else feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll check.
I mean, it's as good as
let's
it's
go
always
face
fucked
down.
up. Face down? Alright.
These Converse are sweet.
Sounds good. The pointing toes thing has nothing to do with it. You just want to distract me while you put my neck.
Yeah.
I know. I'm like, you tell me pointing toes to take it up.
Did it work? Kind of.
Yeah. Your big ass almost broke the table.
So we're gonna do a little rib adjustment here. So a little push. And one more. Facing over here.
You get judged from the inside.
It's so long, dude. You smiling. Alright. One more. Go ahead and flip. Is it okay? It's a little spicy.
Jason seemed very convinced. Avoid the $100. Okay, that's all it takes.
Was it good?
And then let's go onto your back.
On my back?
Yeah. Alright, and then come around that way. Come look at it now. Yeah, perfect. Alright, chin to your chest. Pull all that hair out. One more. Bunch of little guys.
Yeah, me?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're all over the fucking place.
Has he done the one with the neck that goes like this?
He's about to.
The occipital lift, like where they're seated. So we're having all that pinching on this left side. So that's going to be kind of lower cervicals here. We're going to adjust uppers first. So we'll just stay super relaxed into this hand. Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Alright, so this one's coming a little bit lower. One more. A little sketchy on the table.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, looking up.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay, so look straight ahead. Go ahead and bring your chin down to your chest. And keeping it tucked down, bring it over to the right. Let's pull this arm across. Grab that one with the other hand. And a few big breaths there. Alright, look over your shoulder. You doing okay?
Yeah, it's better. Jesus, man.
You're like, don't do that again.
No, that was great. Like everything's like.
So yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, sure.
Just my back hurts a little sometimes. That's it. Sometimes, not today.
But not today? You're like, don't do anything. So no issues kind of with any direction?
No, not really.
So we'll just run through this. Take this glass. Let's go face down to start.
You guys have a smoking table here?
Oh, we probably got a
Blackjack?
blackjack and blackjack here and roulette, blackjack and roulette.
You did okay with that? That was a little rib on this side. Put this bottom in towards me. Rotate. Good. Sweet.
Awesome.
That was good?
That was fucking awesome.
You gotta catch all that often.
And then straighten this guy out.
Yeah, you got a big butt.
Big old booty!
That wagon though.
Big booty Judy.
So we're gonna come up a little bit higher. I'm waiting for all the noise there.
Woo!
There we go.
That was fucking good too.
So let's go. Just lay on your back. Let's go down. Let's go down a little bit further. And then come in on this side. Kind of get like level. And then bring your chin to your chest. One more. Cool. I'll take that off.
All right, excuse my crazy head.
That's crazy.
It is crazy.
No neck issues, headaches, anything like that?
Headaches.
Headaches. Where do you get those?
like over here. Sometimes like half.
Like on one side?
Yeah.
So I feel more tension on this side. Do you kind of feel that? Versus this side? So we're going to hang out here for a little bit. And then come over. Let's take a few big breaths there.
He's actually right here. Shut up.
We got the neck coming. Be quiet.
Nah, I'm just still recording. I always get nervous. Cool. So, and you have never had a neck adjustment before?
No.
Cool. So we'll just say super relaxed. You might hear those same cracking sounds. It just sounds a little bit louder because your ears right there. So good. Let's drop this right shoulder. Just drop it down that way. Yeah. Perfect.
Woo!
You
That
see
was
the
awesome.
light?
No. Not the light, but that was good. That was good.
All right. And so same thing here. I'm coming a little bit lower.
That one was kind of crazy.
Cool.
That was freaking awesome.
Lord.
Are you moving?
Dude, can you just crack my neck? I don't
Thank
need
you.
the back thing.
That was
My
fucking
neck
awesome.
hurts here.
Let's
bro.
get it.
Poor guy, you guys have been working.
I just need the thing. I just need, like, literally, there's one thing here.
If like someone has like a
This fuck is
kind
gonna
of
hurt.
fucked up neck and then you can't pull it because you were. I might think I have a lesson.
You're like, what are you saying?
I think I might have a lesson on my neck, so I don't know if it's safe like to pull it out.
It's safe.
I don't want to be like you know.
Yeah, I'm not going
On a
too
wheelchair.
crazy with it unless it's Tommy, but
What do you have on your neck?
A lesson.
A lesson.
Yeah, I don't know. I fucked up my neck doing like dips. You know.
What kind of dips are you doing?
It's just more like here when I turn and stuff, it hurts like here.
Yo, the camera's
Everyone's gonna be sweating.
Gotta go home.
Scared dog.
so we might hear some popping sounds, and that's just little gases being released. If I bring your head over to the right, no issues on that side?
No.
Okay, so we'll just stay nice and relaxed into this hand. And can you drop your left shoulder down? Perfect. Good. Try to rest into my hand there. See that muscle there? Try to relax that. Good.
Ooh. That was good. That felt amazing, dog.
Alright.
And then drop this shoulder down. And then pop it up. So just kind of fall into that pad. I got you there.
Ooh, that felt so good.
And then we're in the pool here.
Does it hurt?
Relax. Really, no. Just rest. Stay right there.
Bring your chin to your chest. You want next standing?
Sit up, face that way. Look over the shoulder.
Feels way better, dog.
It's gonna come
Cool.
out.
Jeez. With that. Ahí.
Oh,
Aquí.
you see?
Let's go. Boca arriba.
Muévete un poquito de arriba.
Scoop.
Whoa,
You okay?
much pain.
Okay. I'm gonna hang you for a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little push right here. Okay.
Whoa.
That's good.
Yeah.
Está bien.
See?
Cool, so same thing on this side. And do a push.
Whoa.
Tensa.
Awesome.
Wow.
Right there. So we're just gonna run through kind of everything else.
Okay.
And then, can you bring your chin to your chest? Good. Respira.
Whoa.
One more.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Wow.
That's good.
Yeah.
So you're good right here. We'll run
Okay.
through all the other joints.
Wow.
Little quiet one. Make you a little taller.
I love these boots.
Let's go ahead. I'm gonna have you face me on this side.
Okay. Just a face? Or the whole body?
Whole body.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the same thing that we did for your neck, but down here. Come around to the rest.
Whoa.
Probably bad time before. Go ahead and face that way. So face me. Great.
Wow, qué rico.
Go ahead.
Qué rico.
Siéntate aquí.
¿Hacia allá? Okay. Oh, did I have pain here?
¿Está
No.
mejor?
No, actually it feels so much better.
Okay. But when I press in, it's still a little bit tender.
No, it feels so much better.
Okay, cool. We'll just leave it with that.
Yeah, thank you. Yay! Wow.
Nice little break.
The next thing was amazing.
Yeah.
Like really, I don't know where that comes from.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's always the best when the camera's
I didn't record, sorry.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe.
Your turn now.
Wow.
I turn right. Oh shit.
Your turn. That was good, right?
I can't believe the next thing.
Right.
Wow. I don't feel pain anymore.
I'm invincible.
I'm invincible. I can do it for another full day.
I was pushing myself, I guess, too hard, and then something. I just felt like my neck.
So there was like a specific incident
Yeah.
that you felt? Okay. I'm gonna do some tests and see if we can kind of aggravate any of those areas. So,
Okay.
As I kind of go through them, let me know if you notice any like pain, pinching, tightness, something's going into the fingertips. Can I press onto the top of your head? Good there.
Yeah.
Did you see anybody for it? Just feels good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so it's just kind of an old injury
fuck
there
that one hurt.
So,
Yeah,
alright.
that one hurt. Oh, yeah.
versus that. Okay. And
I feel it kind of looking that way,
okay.
but not looking that way. No.
So it's kind of a closed angle pain, which means it can be joint related, and it's probably in more thoracic spine.
Okay.
So we'll just do a little recheck. We didn't really have any tests that were super positive, so you'll just kind of have to give me feedback the next few days. So we're on this left side here. Can you drop
feel
that
it
left
there.
leg? Yeah, you feel where I'm going to push in.
Yeah.
Too. So try to relax into that hand. Just kind of fall. Okay.
Oh shit. Dude.
That's good?
Yeah.
Alright, and then we're going to do the same thing with this shoulder. Okay.
Fuck.
And just kind of fall there. Okay. And push. Okay. Fall into that hand. Good.
Yeah.
Go ahead and come around. Go ahead on my back. Can you tuck your chin to your chest? Good. Let all the air out. All the air out. And out. Sorry. And one more.
I like the sound.
Cool. I'm gonna adjust low back just for the YouTube
Okay.
channel, and then we'll recheck those other spots. Can
Okay.
you face me on your side? Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
You wanna kind of
De
recheck?
lado. So the neck was gnarly, bro.
Yeah, I bet.
Fuck.
I heard that.
You need it?
It's like a Snickers bar. I mean, like a Crunch bar.
Yeah, man.
Como la bolsita de Doritos.
Sweet. So the only thing we really noticed on the test is when you looked over to the left.
Yeah.
You had felt a little bit. So go ahead and look over that direction and see if that feels any different.
Yeah, there's more room.
Okay.
There's more room now. A little.
Cool.
Yeah.
So all I would say, if that's like a continuing issue, like let's say today that you came in and you can only look this far, and then after we adjusted you could look that far.
Yeah.
If you did nothing for like a week, you just kind of slowly come back to here.
Okay.
If we start moving and squeezing and using that range, we start to click into that, and that becomes more of like a permanent thing without pain.
Okay.
So just going in, so go ahead and look over that shoulder and do like a 5-second count. And each second, try to squeeze another millimeter.
Okay.
Do you
Like
feel
so
that muscle?
everyday exercise or something?
Yeah. Well, and this is just a simple thing to do. Then go ahead and switch. So looking to the right, and same thing, 5 seconds. So just go back and forth about 3 times. But you really want to feel that contraction there, so that starts to become normal for you.
Yeah, definitely, bro.
Good stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Happy, Oscar?
Yeah, I'm happy. I was scared, bro. I get paralyzed forever. I was fucking sick, bro. Crazy, man. Like fucking stretch an inch of this.
You good?
Yeah.
Where'd you feel it?
It's like around like below the neck a little bit. Yeah, and that cross,
Yeah.
I feel like it stretched at least like an inch or something. We're
Yeah.
like, whoa. It's sick,
stuff.
man.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is